Metro and rail networks form the backbone of urban mobility, getting people from A to B, from homes to work or school. In Singapore alone, there were 3.4 million MRT rides a day in 2024. With the industry push for automation, platform screen doors are now critical for the safety of stations implementing driverless trains. Platform screen doors, or PSDs, above all, protect commuters on the platform from falling onto the train tracks. That's why reliability and near-perfect system uptime are absolutely critical for maintaining commuter confidence and safety. But parts and components will need replacement. We recognize this reality. The onus on us is then how best to streamline and optimize these processes to ensure maintenance is cost-effective, efficient, and is not performed unnecessarily, which is often the case. Our next-gen PSDs redefine the maintenance experience. Our new human-machine interface, Monitor, revolutionizes monitoring and diagnostics with a modern UX/UI design. Monitor also offers comprehensive condition monitoring, streaming live data on door position, motor temperatures, and other key metrics. With this vast dataset, we are now poised to implement AI-driven predictive maintenance, where an AI model can be trained to analyze performance trends of components to predict when a failure will occur. Even with predictive maintenance, repairs are inevitable. That's where FieldDart, our AI-powered assistant, comes in. Developed with our Enterprise Asset Management System team, it is a knowledge base and diagnostic tool that streamlines fault diagnosis and rectification. With FieldDart on a tablet, you simply describe the symptoms, and the system will guide you step by step, screw by screw to fix the issue. It operates fully offline, ideal for environments without Wi-Fi or signal. And with multi-language support, it enhances usability for technicians worldwide. New technicians benefit from real-time training, while experienced ones gain efficiency. All these developments culminate in a comprehensive turnkey product that offers exceptional reliability and industry-leading maintenance experiences. Maintenance will be faster, more intuitive, and less prone to human error. It will also require less track access and manpower, freeing up valuable resources. All these advancements contribute to lifecycle cost savings, bringing down the long-term support service costs. Building on that, we'll maintain a close eye on industry trends and endeavor to always be one step ahead by testing and integrating new technologies such as AI, the Internet of Things, and cloud connectivity across our smart mobility solutions.